trying to get involved. She's just hanging out. She's like, oh hi, baby. Oh, God.
Can you see? No? Yes, no, maybe so. Hey, settle down. There you go. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down.
This one's looking. I like this little girl.
Yeah.
She climbs fences.
Yeah, she will jump these fences.
Oh,
She doesn't. No, the little one.
the charcoal one.
Yeah, she's really good. She's done it like probably 4 times. Not the next one where like Buhack Road is. If you turn right into the base, it's gonna be on the left-hand side.
The left-hand side?
Yeah.
Hi. What you doing, huh? Yeah. Kind of like that, huh?
Can you leave?
I've been in and out of her several times for Kathy and for a couple times for Foothills.
Okay, that's probably where I'm at. Because I'm like, you look familiar.
Here's that. So then you know where that is.
Oh, she said don't.
My joy. Hello, how are you?
She is going.
Ah!
I'll put you back around there. Come here, bully boy. Come here, bully boy. Hi. Really?
You, sir.
Come here. You stay away from me. Give him a minute.
So we're about 4 hours here.
Okay.
Ah!
Like, I'm good. I'm like, you know what? I think life partner is better.
Enough!
I wonder if he'll stop when he gets neutered.
Hi. How are you?
Scares me.
He's so
No question, because his eyes look slightly different than.
You're like, you're too big.
I don't
They
know.
look more
My dog is not snuggly at all. My dog is
squinted.
Yeah.
My Lyman's only snuggly at night.
Hi, cutie.
Hi. Oh yes, big kisses.
What is Lily's legacy gonna take?
She went hard earlier. Oh yeah, we've had him out. Kate Bronco or Kane, whatever. She's been out for 2 hours.
Hey guys. Very energetic, and the other puppy was stuck up in the corner and just drooling. I'm like, oh no. So I took the little one and put it up front with me.
Yeah.
Good boy. So yes, he's interested in humans. Hi. That wasn't true to put your fingerprints on there. Or doggy prints. Dominant pushy.
I don't think he's
No.
done.